Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can transfer USDT from Binance to Kucoin application and to Kucoin wallet. This tutorial is quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel, and also you can check out my Binance link in the description with a $100 bonus when you sign up from my link. Now let's dive into the tutorial. You want to go ahead to wallets on your Binance and you want to click withdraw option, or just choose USDT for example, and then click withdraw. After that, you want to choose send via crypto network. And from here, you need to go ahead and paste the address. Now you need to check out which networks Binance has. So Polygon, Ethereum, Toncoin, BNB Smart Chain, and Tron. So you want to choose which fits you the best. Let's see, Ethereum has a really high fee. The other ones, not so much. So just choose the one which fits you the best. Now you want to go to your Kucoin, open it up, and on Kucoin you want to again go to your assets or wallet, and from here you want to click deposit. Now you want to choose USDT, so just write it down just like so, Tether, and now you need to select the network. As you can see, they have more networks, but you need to choose the one which Binance has. So if you chose, for example, Tron network on Binance, you want to choose the same here. Now, once you have done that, you want to copy the address and go back to Binance. Now you're going to enter the address here, choose the network Tron, enter the withdrawal amount, and as you can see, the network fee is 1 USDT. After that, you're going to click withdraw. Now, if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.